Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This video is going to be really quick, hopefully. I'm going to be doing this Pamper pack giveaway. I'm going to run through everything that's in the pack and then I'm going to tell you guys the rules. So what we've got inside this pack. Before I do that, I thought it would be fun for you guys and to give back to you guys. Just a sample of some of the things that I've purchased in my local area. And I just thought it would be fun for you guys, maybe to receive some of this stuff if you're not able to get it. And just for a way for me to kind of give back to you and to say thank you so much for sticking around and for subscribing to my channel and just being pretty loyal. So I do like to give back. So let's go ahead and run through everything that's inside this box. Okay, the first thing that we have is a Primark mouthwash in Cool Mint flavour with fluoride. We have a stunning pack of Eden coconut oil cleansing wipes. You get 25 in a pack. We have got some handy, beautifully cute, adorable little pocket tissues. These are a double pack. You are going to get a pack of bath fizzers. These are from Poundland. I've got them on the side. And you get a set of 3 in this absolutely gorgeous little gift pack. Oh, we're knocking everything down. Let's just make it sit prettily so you guys can actually see things. We've got a pack of these powder pads. They're latex free and they're face blotting sponge pads. They're from W7. They're in this gorgeous vibrant pink and it's a pack of 2. We'll pop those right there. If they sit, they may not. We'll pop them right there. We've got this upside down. We've got this Femme and Fierce berry scented lip balm from Primark. You're getting 11 grams of product, so that's super cute. You're also getting, this is gorgeous soap. If you guys have not tried these Sweet Treat soap bars, definitely check them out. Hopefully you'll be the winner of this giveaway. But these are cushions, Imperial Leather, and this one is in just peachy, and it is jam-packed with scents of delicious sunny peach and yummy tropical fruits, and that's a 100-gram bar, so that's pretty awesome. You're getting this gorgeous little lemon, if I can get it to focus, emery board, pretty sturdy. These are from Primark. I use them all the time to do my nails, so they're pretty awesome and robust. And the last little item that you're getting inside this pack, this Pamper pack, is a Derma 10 coconut body scrub, and it's for gentle exfoliation for silky smooth skin. That was really hard. I love the fact that it says treat yourself for less, so that's super cute and adorable. So guys, these are all the items that you're going to get if you're the lucky winner of this giveaway. So let's go ahead and tell you what the rules are. Guys, unfortunately due to COVID, I'm only able to post this these items to the UK, so this is only opened within the UK, and we're going to keep this giveaway up and running until we get preferably 50 likes. But if we get to 30 likes on this video, then we're definitely going to give it away. The winner will be posted underneath this this video, just so you guys all know. And you have to be subscribed to my channel and you have to like the video. So guys, there are the rules. You need to like and subscribe, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and enter a comment in the comment section below. You can enter anything you like. I don't really mind. If you tell me where you live, what part of the country you're from, anything that you want, as long as it's a nice comment. So guys, get liking, get subscribing, get commenting, and one of you lucky winners will win this Pamper pack, and that will be posted directly to your door. So guys, good luck. Take care, everybody, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye, everybody. Bye.